Codenvy is an on-demand developer workspace company. So we basically connect development teams to the continuous delivery pipeline. We do that by having on-demand developer workspaces, which are replicable, collaborative, and constraint-free. And we use Puppet within our own software in order to facilitate the distribution of that to both our public cloud and our on-prem customers. The compelling thing, or the necessary thing about using Puppet, was that we wanted to make sure that our SaaS customers and our on-prem customers receive the exact same updates and the exact same releases at the exact same time. So when we drop a binary for a new release, it automatically is updated across both on-prem customers and SaaS customers, which is about 1 million developers total. So before Puppet, it would take us between 2 and 3 weeks in order to get an on-prem available version that was already in our SaaS for our customers. Now with Puppet, those happen literally at the exact same time. And that makes our on-prem customers especially excited because they have the same needs as our SaaS customers do. And they're working with big critical apps. And the faster they get those releases, the happier they are, and the better it is also for us and our support teams. For the operations engineers at Codenvy, Puppet has been a bit of a godsend because they've gone from having to spend their weekends, their evenings, grabbing these releases and trying to wrestle them into new packages for on-prem customers to now being able to kind of press a button, know what's going to happen, and be confident at the timeline at which it's going to complete. We didn't want to have to get into the complex logic of understanding how the distribution of our software for our private cloud would be changed whether a customer had 10 nodes, 50 nodes, or 1,000 nodes. And the beautiful thing about Puppet is that it's very simple for us with Puppet to basically just say, this has 10 nodes, 50, or 1,000, and Puppet knows exactly how to configure those environments for the optimum configuration. And that leaves us in a position where we can abstract that all out to Puppet. We deal only with the kind of high level, and Puppet takes care of all those details for us. It's transparent to us, it's transparent to the user, it is dead simple. For us, this is critical because we are in an early stage market. There's a lot of competition. We are fighting for, hearts and minds of developers. To do that, we need to show consistent innovation. We need to show leaps of innovation, and we need to show it frequently. So our dev team needs to be able to spend 110% of their time building that innovation into our product. Every minute that they spend doing infrastructure work is, for us, a wasted minute in competitive differentiation. Again, Puppet's beauty is in its ability to take that, simplify it out of our hands, but in a way that doesn't force our customers to deal with it. So the customers have a simpler life, and we are able to focus on innovation. This is what's allowing us to win in our market. I think the reason to use Puppet is really that it provides simplicity, it provides consistency, and it provides reliability for the infrastructure, which is critical to, I think, to every business at this stage. Without Puppet, I don't see any way that we could have been able to continuously deliver releases in a consistent, reliable fashion to 1 million developers in the cloud, on-premise, and in our embedded product within our other software providers.